friends, welcome to my YouTube channel. Today we are going to study about linear equations in two variables. This chapter or this topic already you have studied in the previous classes, so I am not going in the definition of this. I am going to solve directly the examples from the exercise 2.1. Okay, so let us solve some examples. So this first example is there in front of you. The first example is 5x plus 3y is equal to 9. This is our first equation. And second is 2x minus 3y is equal to 12. This is second one. We have to solve these two equations simultaneously. That means we have to find out the value of x and y. So let us see what is the procedure to solve these equations. So here, to solve simultaneous equations, we have to see whether the coefficient of any of the variables, either of x or of y, should be same. Coefficient of, now you can see here, the coefficient of x is 5, the coefficient of x is 2. These two are different. Coefficients are not same. But here, as you can see, the coefficient of this y is 3 and the coefficient of this y is also 3. Neglecting the sign, just concentrate on the number. Here you have 3 and here also you have 3. Coefficients are same. Okay. So this actually we need at least one coefficient of one variable should be same, right? Now, after getting same coefficients, we will see whether we will add or subtract these two equations. Now, the sign of this coefficient is plus and the sign of this coefficient is minus. So, signs are different. They have different signs. One is plus and another is minus. So when signs are different, that means you will add that two equations. Okay, that means signs and coefficients. Coefficients are same but signs are different. That time you will add those two equations. Understood this concept? Again I am repeating, when coefficients are same, signs are different. That time we will add two equations. Okay, so just add. You can write the statement here or directly write here in the side adding. Here also you can write adding. So add these two equations. 5x plus 2x is 7x. Okay, plus 3y minus 3y will get cancelled. 3y minus 3y will become 0. So that will get cancelled. You can show like this, plus 3y minus 3y equal to 9 plus 12 is 21. Okay. So 7x is equal to 21. Therefore, x is equal to 21 upon 7. That is, x is equal to 3. You got the answer of x. Okay, one variable you got. Now, on the basis of this, you can find out the value of second variable also. Put x equal to 3 in equation number 1. You can put in equation 2 also, right? So, I am putting here the value of x in equation number 1. So, x equal to 3. That means I will write here, put or substitute x equal to 3 in equation 1. Okay, so what you will get? 5x. Here you have 5x and the value of x is 3. So 5 into 3. 5 into 3 plus 3y plus 3y equal to 9. 5 3s are 15 plus 3y is equal to 9. Plus 15 will go that side. So 3y is equal to 9 minus 15. that is 3y is equal to 9 minus 15 is minus 6. Therefore, y is equal to minus 6 upon 3. So, y is equal to minus 2. We got the value of y also. That means we got the solution of the simultaneous linear equation. So, you can write here the solution of the given equations is x is equal to 3. X is equal to 3 and y is equal to minus 2. Okay. So, we have solved this equation. Understood? Let us move to the second question. So, here is the second question. X plus 7y is equal to 10. This is first equation. And another one is 3x minus 2y is equal to 7. Okay. So, we have to solve these equations. First, that means what we will see? We will see whether the coefficients of the variables are same or not. Okay. The coefficient of x here is 1 and the coefficient of x here is 3. Coefficients are different. Now, see the coefficients of y. Here the coefficient of y is 7 and the coefficient of y is minus 2. Here also the coefficients are different. As you can see here, the coefficient of both the variables are different. Okay. Now, so our work is we will make the coefficients same. How to make the coefficients same? Let us see here. So, we will make the coefficient of y same. Okay. So, here you have the coefficient of y is 2. So, with this coefficient, I will multiply equation number 1. Okay. So, I will write here multiplying equation number 1 by 2. Okay. Coefficient of y is 2. I am taking from the equation number 2. Here the coefficient is 2. With this 2, I am multiplying equation number 1. So, I will get 2x. Here you will multiply with 2. You will get 2 sevens are 14y and 2 tens are 20. This is our new equation. You can take it as 3. Now, the coefficient of y is 7 in the first equation. So, with that 7, I will multiply equation number 2. Okay. So, again I will write here multiplying equation 2 by 7. Okay. Multiply with 7. 7 threes are 21x and 7 twos are 14y. 7 sevens are 49. Equation number 4. Okay. You can combine these two statements also. In one statement only you can write multiplying equation 1 by 2 and equation 2 by 7. Right. Now, so after multiplying we got these two equations. ये दो equation मिल गया हम लोग को. Third equation and fourth equation. And you can see here the coefficients are same. यहाँ पे coefficient same आ गया. Okay. So इसको solve करेंगे आगे. Now what we will see here now? Coefficients are same but signs are different. Okay. That means we will add these two equations. So adding equation 3 and 4. Add 2x plus 2x plus 21x. You will add 21 plus 2, 23x plus 14y minus 14y will get cancelled, and here you will get 20 plus 49 will give you 69. Okay, now you cannot show it like this here because these two statements are different. So इसको ऐसे ही लिखेंगे हम लोग, माइनस 14y, और यहाँ पे हम लोग इसको कट करके नहीं शो कर सकते बिकॉज दिस टू आर डिफरेंट, राइट. नाउ एडिंग इक्वेशन 3 and 4 विल गेट 2x plus 21x is equal to 23x is equal to 20 plus 49 will give you 69. ये दोनों कैंसिल हो जाएगा. Now, so therefore x is equal to 69 upon 23. So x is equal to 3 21 1 and 21 3. So x equal to 3. We got the value of x. Now put x equal to 3 in equation number 1. So x जो equation easy रहेगा उसमें you can put the value. So x equal to 3 plus 7y is equal to 10. So 7y is equal to 10 minus 3. Therefore 7y is equal to 7 and y is equal to 1. So we got the value of y also. So the solution of the equation is x equal to 3 and y is equal to 1. Okay, understood this sum also. Now next, third question. So our next question is 1 upon 3x plus y is equal to 10 upon 3. This is our first equation. Second equation is 2x plus 1 upon 4y is equal to 11 upon 4. Right? Now we'll take first equation, 1 upon 3x plus y is equal to 10 upon 3. Okay. Now here you can see in the denominator you have 3 and here also you have 3. Okay, we will remove these 3 from the denominator, okay, so that this equation get easier. That means in the simpler way. So multiply this equation by 3 because in denominator you have 3, so to remove that 3 we will multiply with 3. So multiply this equation by 3. So if you multiply here, so this 3 and this 3 will get cancelled. So we will get only 1x plus multiply y with 3, you will get 3y, and if you multiply here 3 and 3 again will get cancelled, you will get just 10. Now the equation is easy. Take it as number 1. Now second equation, इसको भी हम लोग easy करेंगे. Second equation ये है 2x plus 1 upon 4y is equal to 11 upon 4. इसको भी simpler way में present करेंगे. So in the denominator here you have 4. So multiply with 4. So what you will get? 4 2s are 8x plus multiply with 4. So 4 and 4 will get cancelled. Y here also 4 cancel, 11. So this is equation number 2. Now we will solve this to equation. Okay. Now, so to solve this, what we have to see? We will see the coefficients of the variables. They are same or not. So coefficient of x is here 1 and here it is 8. They are different, not same. Here the coefficient is y is 3 and the coefficient of y is 1. Here also different coefficients. तो दोनों में से किसी एक को सेम करना पड़ेगा. तो हम लोग करते हैं y का. ओके. सो हियर y का सेम करने के लिए y का कोएफिशिएंट इधर 3 है एंड हियर यू हैव 1. ओके. सो जस्ट यू हैव टू मल्टीप्लाई इक्वेशन नंबर 2 बाय 3. हियर यू हैव ऑलरेडी 3y, हियर 1 कोएफिशिएंट. तो यहाँ पे अगर हम लोग 3 से मल्टीप्लाई करेंगे तो यहाँ पे 3y आ जाएगा, एक ही बार में सेम हो जाएगा. सो विल मल्टीप्लाई दिस इक्वेशन बाय 3. सो मल्टीप्लाई multiply equation 2 by 3. Here you will get 24x plus 3y equal to 11 into 3, that is 33. So you got third equation. Okay, now you can compare. फर्स्ट का क्या है, यहाँ पे y कोएफिशिएंट 3 और यहाँ पे क्या आ गया 3, दोनों का कोएफिशिएंट सेम कर दिया हमने. नाउ विल सॉल्व इट फर्दर. ये दोनों इक्वेशन को हम लोग यहाँ पे अभी साथ में लिखेंगे. x प्लस 3y इज इक्वल टू 10. दिस इज अवर फर्स्ट इक्वेशन. और ये था थर्ड इक्वेशन 24x प्लस 3y इक्वल टू 33. ओके, नाउ जिसका कोएफिशिएंट सेम है उसके साइंस पर ध्यान देंगे. हियर यू हैव कोएफिशिएंट सेम बट साइंस आर आल्सो सेम. कोएफिशिएंट सेम, signs are same. So when signs are same, we will subtract that two equation from, you will subtract one equation from the other one. So here we will do subtraction. So subtract second from one. You can write here subtraction. Okay. Now when you will subtract, okay, second equation from 1. So this, the sign of all the terms of equation number 2 will get changed. So here it is plus, you will get minus. ये यहाँ पे प्लस है तो माइनस हो जाएगा, इसका साइन प्लस है तो माइनस हो जाएगा, और इसका साइन प्लस है तो माइनस हो जाएगा. तो यहाँ पे हमको शो करना पड़ेगा नीचे जो चेंज हो रहा है साइन में, वो यहाँ नीचे शो करना पड़ेगा. ओके, सो नाउ विल सब्ट्रैक्ट. और ये साइन चेंज किस में होगा, when we will subtract. Okay, now 1x minus 24x. Now this sign we will take. 1x minus 24x will give you minus 23x. Okay, plus 3y minus 3y will get cancelled. 10 minus 33 is equal to minus 23. ये प्लस ये माइनस है तो सब्ट्रैक्ट होगा. ओके, यू नो द एडिशन ऑफ इंटीजर्स एंड सब्ट्रैक्शन ऑफ इंटीजर्स. ओके, ये मैंने अपने एक वीडियो में भी बताया है अलग से कि इंटीजर्स को कैसे ऐड करते हैं और सब्ट्रैक्ट करते हैं. ओके, दैट वीडियो ऑल्सो यू कैन सी एंड यू कैन हैव दैट लिंक फ्रॉम द डिस्क्रिप्शन बॉक्स. ओके, नाउ सॉल्व इट फर्दर. एक्स इज इक्वल टू minus 23 upon minus 23, that is x equal to 1. You got the value of x. After this you can solve. Put x equal to 1 in equation number 1. So after putting this value you will get the value of y. Now we will take the last question, fourth one. So our fourth question is 99x plus 101y equal to 499. And here 101x plus 99y is equal to 501. Now see whether the coefficients are same or not. Here the coefficients are different and here also the coefficients are different. तो हम लोग coefficient को same करने के लिए क्या करते हैं, मल्टीप्लाई करते हैं. इसका coefficient 99 है तो 99 से मल्टीप्लाई करेंगे. यहाँ पे अगर हम लोग 99 से मल्टीप्लाई करेंगे तो लार्ज नंबर्स मिलेंगे हमको. 99 into 99, 99 into 101, 99 into 499, right? But one thing we can observe here, that the cross coefficients are same. The cross coefficients are same. Here you have 99 and here also 99 cross. Okay, 101, 101. Cross coefficients are same. ये दोनों same है और ये दोनों same है, right? So when this type of equations are given to you, you will apply the other method like this. So when you have cross coefficient same, first of all you will add these two equations, always adding. Okay, So when you will add 101 plus 99 means 200x, here also 200y, और ये दोनों को ऐड करेंगे तो 1000, right? 9 plus 1 10 and 9 plus 1 10 10. Okay. Now as you can see, we can divide this equation by 200. Directly you can multiply, sorry, you can divide this equation by 200. So therefore x plus y is equal to 5. Okay, equation number 3. So when you are adding these two equations, you are getting third equation. Now again we will write these two equations here. 99x plus 101y is equal to 499. This is our first equation, and this one is 101x plus 99y is equal to 501. ओके, तो पहले हम लोगों ने ऐड किया था, यहाँ पे क्या करेंगे अभी? सब्ट्रैक्टिंग. सो क्या बोला था मैंने? सब्ट्रैक्ट करेंगे तो यहाँ पे नीचे जो इक्वेशन रहता है उसका साइन चेंज हो जाएगा. 99 में से 101 जाएगा तो -2x प्लस 101y माइनस 99, 101 माइनस 99 प्लस 2y, 499 minus 501 minus 11 minus 9. Okay, 11 minus 9 is 2. Okay, divide by 2. So minus x plus y is equal to minus 1. This is our fourth equation. You can write the statement divide by 200, and here also divide by 2. So after dividing this, you got third equation and fourth equation. तो जो हमको थर्ड और फोर्थ इक्वेशन मिलता है उसको फिर से ऐड करते हैं. सो यहाँ पे ऐड करेंगे. x plus y is equal to 5, third equation, and minus x plus y is equal to -1. ये हो गया फोर्थ इक्वेशन. Adding plus x minus x cancel, 1y plus 1y 2y, 5 minus 1 is 4, so y is equal to 2. Got the value of y. Now you can easily find out the value of x. Where you will put the value of y? In equation number 3. This is the simplest equation, so here you will put y is equal to 2 and you will get the value of x. Okay, so have you understood all the things?